Oh my goodness! I was just told the winter hats are coming today, but I am not packed up. I am not at the warehouse. No one is at the warehouse. I need to get to the warehouse. I don't know when it's coming. They never tell me when it's coming. I haven't even had lunch. I'm starving. Okay, it was only right to wear the beanie today on the day the beanies are coming. I hope they're everything I hoped for. Made it into the car. I successfully grabbed my laptop in the flurry. I have a few meetings. Swinks. I ordered recycled materials poly mailer for these hats so we could ship out these hats with the recycled material bag. They have not come yet. That's worrisome. We're gonna need to go to Plan B because we have to be able to ship these things next Tuesday. I'm starving. We're gonna have to quick go to the coffee shop. There is literally one coffee shop in the small town in which our warehouse is located. Sorry, these vlogs are like, what is even happening? How is she running her own business? She's insane. A little bit. I still also need to go to the, what is that? What is that blue light that looks like it's shining on me? So, my regular coffee time order is a tuna sandwich on whole wheat and an iced coffee with cream and a vanilla pump. And I absolutely probably can guarantee you that the cashier knows that it's me. When I pull up and I say I'm having this tuna sandwich with this iced coffee, she's like, that Ponyback lady, that's her again. Don't even need to tell me, I know by your order because it never changes. Can we also talk about toques, beanies, and hats? I see them as all the same thing. We're calling it a beanie. Why are we calling it a beanie? It just seemed like a more widely accepted term, honestly. And I kind of like the sound of Ponyback beanie versus Ponyback toque or Ponyback hat. Well, you can't use that. So it needs to be something different. It needs to be toque or beanie, and I just kind of felt like Ponyback beanie sounded kind of fun, so we decided to go with beanie. Actually, my graphic designer came up with that one. She's like, you should call it beanie. I was like, okay, we'll call it a beanie. Right, so we have arrived, but I just need to open up the windows, and it's freezing in here because nobody's been here all day. Open up the windows so we can see when the shipment comes. The only issue I'm going to run into is if the shipment does not arrive by 3:15, I'm screwed because I have to pick up my children. Well, I don't pick them up. They walk home, but I have to be home when they get home. So I'm not quite old enough to be home alone. Not yet, anyway. My oldest is 9. It's really responsible. But okay, now we can flew. There's so many blinds. We have so many windows. Look at all of our windows. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing today because it's special. Outfit of the day, people. Outfit of the day. It's so special. Look at her. She's so cute in her winter accessories. Ooh la la. Oh, wait. Enjoy your coffee. Right, so we had a false alarm. Last week, the shipment did not arrive. I just got my kids out the door for school. There they go. Off to school. It's about just after 9, and heading to the warehouse. But first, I have to make my coffee. Have to. So the shipment is coming today. If it does not come today, I don't know what I will do. I mean, they told me it was coming today, so like, I don't know why it wouldn't come today. Stranger things have happened. We did have a miscommunication though last week, so pumpkin spice. I'm running out. I gotta order more. We had a miscommunication, me and my courier. They had told me it may arrive on Friday of last week. I took May as in, we don't know yet, so we're gonna let you know if it actually is coming or not. They took it as, be ready, because it's coming tomorrow. So we missed out on getting our hats on Friday. So therefore I am fairly certain we're going to get them today, but I don't like to hold out hope too much. But I am honestly loving the beanie. I just, for me, it's all about the like ability to have one hat that I can wear my hair up or down in. Like I'm a simple girl. I'm not wearing a million hats. Don't own a million hats. I don't have a headband. I don't like wearing headbands. I feel like they hurt my ears. I don't know why that is. Does anyone else have that experience? It's time to go to the warehouse. Let's do this day. Right, the winter hats have just arrived. We're full of boxes now. Here we go, get the rest of them. Sorry, just a sec. Right, we're gonna crack into the first box of winter beanies. Here we go. What size did I pull out first? I don't even know. I didn't even check the box. This is an extra large. Oh, you're so pretty. Everything I hoped for. So good. Oh my goodness. I feel like they came like better than expected.
That doesn't happen all that often.
No, it doesn't always happen. Yes. Look at that. It's like a glove. So, grab a bag, grab a hat, and we're just gonna quality check them while we're doing this. Actually, we should grab some different rollers. So I would just do like one open and close of the magnets too. Just make sure like that when it actually closes back up that it's sitting where it should. And if you think it's like not, that there's something wrong with it or there's an imperfection somewhere, we'll put those in like a B file. Good morning. Okay, today is launch day. The very first thing that I do on launch day is I go to my Shopify store and I lock it down and I make my edits and make sure and test that everything's working properly with the new products. I do this first thing in the morning because then I'm not stressed. If something goes wrong, I have like the most time to deal with it. So I need to do the website. I need to schedule my text blast and my email blast is already scheduled. And then I'm going to be heading into the warehouse shortly after 9. And we have to bundle up the winter hat still and then get set up for going live and recording the whole thing. So it's exciting. Okay, so I just have a little bit more to do on the website and then we are off to the warehouse. All right, I'm ready. Let's go get this Beanie launch day. Right, you guys, we're recording. I'm going to record this as they come in today.
What time is it?
11:30. But I need more coffee. Oh, there it is. I just got the email. Okay, the email was just sent. I'm nervous. I wonder how long it's gonna take them to get on the site. I can see like there's a site map. There's 56 people on right now.
How many?
56 already. Now there's 60.
On the store?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, we're up to like
100. There's 117 people now on the site.
on this site.
It's not chinging.
Oh,
There it is! Let's see. Who was it?
Who was it?
We are 3 minutes in. We just got an order from Laura. Thank you, Laura. Laura from Newfoundland. Oh my goodness, lots of my Canadian friends. So Amy, who did not get the email, she's so cute. Stacy, thank you so much. You just made 3 nurses extremely happy. We're all on different shifts, so I agreed to set an alarm to get up to get them for us. So cute. Oh, it is the day after the launch. It is definitely a dry shampoo day. That's all we do with the hair today. But it's definitely a big packing day today. So we have about 300 orders to do. So we gotta get to it. See you at the warehouse. Look what I've got riding shotgun with